In this video, I will show how to download and install latest version of Python on Windows 11. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and browse this URL python.org. At first, download the latest stable release of Python. Select Windows, and this is the latest stable release of Python. Now download Python Windows installer for 64-bit or 32-bit. It may take a while for downloading. After a successful download, navigate to download folder. Now I am going to install Python. Open this installer. If you want to install Python for only the current user, select the first option. Otherwise, select Customize option to install Python for all users and to enable or disable features. Check this box to add python.exe to the path environment variable. I am going to select the second option. Check this box for all users. Okay. Click on next. Check this box to install Python for all users. This is the default installation location. For customize installation, you can change this location by browsing where you want to install Python. Otherwise, leave this option. Now click on install. Setup wizard is ready to begin installation. So click on install button. If you get a message from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes. It may take a while for installing Python on Windows operating system. That's it. Python installed successfully. If you want to disable path length limit, click on this option. And if you get a message again from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes. Now close. Okay. Now verify the installation. Open command prompt or Windows PowerShell and type this command py ---- version. That's it. Python 3.12.7 installed successfully. You can open Python console on command prompt. Simply type py, hit enter. Okay. Now write a simple Python script. That's it. Exit the Python shell. That's it. You can also write and execute Python script on IDLE, that is the default Python editor comes with the Python. Okay, this is the Python IDLE shell. Write simple script that will display Python shell. That's it. And also you can create a new file within any name. Okay, now write Python script here. And save this file. Okay, now run this module. That's it. And also you can run this Python script from command prompt. Type this command. That's it. You can open the Python shell directly. Type Python, open. Now write simple script. That's it. Exit the Python shell. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.